Hi guys, what's going on? It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. So this week is it's going to be a different vlog. It's gonna be a self-care maintenance vlog. And trust me, I do need one. And the products I'm gonna use my Tresemme shampoo for my hair. And yes, I've been wearing a wig all week and it's hot all weeks, and I know no one has to tell me it looks terrible. So I'm gonna wash my hair, and plus, yes, my lashes are hanging on for dear life. They need to go because I've been sweating so hard, as you can see, and they're barely hanging. So I'm gonna use if you can see, my lash shampoo. I'm gonna use that to take them off and then to wash it. And then I'm going to do a facial. I'm going to do it in 2 steps. And this week, I'm going to use the mud face mask. I don't know if you can see. The mud face mask first. And then I'm going to use the plum mask sheet. And I got this from Primark. It was on sale. I'm going to use that after. And then I'm going to use my facial products that I use all the time, but I'll show you when I'm doing it. And then I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna use the Pearl Drop Daily Whitening, and this is an instant boost for my teeth. Yes, I do go to the dentist regularly because I'm a stickler for hygiene, especially the mouth, and it's got to stay fresh because you're talking to people anyway. But I'm gonna try this and see if it works. Me and you are gonna do it at the same time. I don't know if it works. It's my first time. I've just bought this and I'll see. This is what it looks like out of the container. This is what it looks like. So we are gonna try this together. I don't know if you can see. And then I'm gonna do a wax under my arm. Cause this girl don't like no hair, no wear. That is it. And then I'm gonna do a foot. You know, I've stripped my foot with the foot peel. And it's stripping. It's nearly there. Not quite, but it's nearly there. And I bought this. It's from Temu. It's a foot bag that you can soak your foot in. It's got an insulator in it. It's quite deep and it's quite good. But this is my first go as well of using it, because this is just a recent purchase. I think it was about £2 something on Temu. So, my legs go. So you can get this off Temu as well. And I'm gonna soak my feet in Epsom salt. And these are the products that I'm gonna use. So, come along with me on my journey, because this is a DIY project. So let's get going.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
guys, look, I've got my lashes done. Now I'm gonna use the Pearl Drop teeth whitener, and let's see how it works. What's going on? So for my maintenance, I use olive oil for my ear. So this is the ear olive oil. This brand is Optex, but it doesn't matter what brand I have. This is the one I have now. I'll use any one for my hair because this girl can't clean her ears like everyone does. I don't stick anything inside my ears because everything will go down. So I use this like once a week, and with a little drop. You put a little bit, rub it in, and a little over here, and I rub it in, and this works for me. So it melts everything, and then anything that's in there will run out. And this is how I clean my ears because I can't clean it with anything because everything will go down and it block my ears and give me vertigo, and I can't afford that. So this is the best thing. So tell me, what do you think? Do you use Optex in your ear, or what do you use? Do you put stuff inside? Because that ain't right.
Hey, Gems.
Now I'm gonna
This morning is very chaotic. I have a lot going on and trying to do 20 million things at the same time, which is never really a great thing. It's not a great idea. But I'm prepping for a exequati, and it's an all-white situation, so I have to steam. I have to steam, no. I have to steam my outfit, but I also forgot to wax my fit. Jump scare. So I'm trying to squeeze that into the to-do list, but also I have to run the Ulta. Today's the last day of the Ulta sale. By the time I figured it out, it was too late for me to post the vlog and have ready for you guys. But I did post. Oh, hopefully you guys saw it. That's why you guys should be following me on platforms. I did post a video, a short form video. So what am I doing here? So if you guys are following me on platforms, then you do know what's going on. And I did a full face of affordable makeup on my favorite affordable makeup products because there are quite a few. Drugstore has been killing the game lately. Man, I tell you, fantastic products. So yeah, hope you guys got a chance. Oh my god. Hope you guys got a chance to enjoy that for yourself.
freestyle my brother, okay? Just like show one brush, now I got a roll, no way go. Freestyle my brother, in the meantime, go and work. I want to subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Know what I'm talking. I'm sorry, time, okay, now, freestyle my brother. I want you to know go. Everybody